Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can use Dall-e in Canva to generate any image we want. Okay, let's get into it guys. So I have opened canva.com, and first of all, I'm going to create new design. I'm going to click on create a design, and for example, I'm just going to select video. Okay, and I'm going to show you how we can use the Dall-e to create an image. We can go to the Canva apps and then select the AI powered. Okay, then you can choose Dall-e to create an image you want. You can select this one. Okay, then click on open. Alright, and you just need to describe the image you want to generate. You can start with a detailed description. For example, I'm going to create Swan Lake Princess in a magical forest. Okay, and after you have done writing the description, you can click on generate, and the AI will generate an image for you. Okay guys, and these are the images generated by the AI, and I'm just going to select this one and I'm going to add it to my design. Alright, this is the final result. Alright guys, and that's all the way to use Dall-e in Canva to generate any image we want. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.